So now let's talk about the shaded sketch contour feature. Now this feature is available on the sketch tab. So when you select the sketch tab here, you'll see the shaded sketch contour. Now by default, it is deactivated because we are in the part modeling environment. So we need to be in the sketch environment for this to remain active. So I'll go to this sketch and I'll select edit sketch feature. And now you can see that this feature is also activated. Now, if for whatever reason you don't have this tool here on the command manager, then go to this gear icon, click this arrow, select customize. Now go to commands and select sketch. Now sketch is the command manager, and here you can see all the tools of the sketch command manager. So here we also have this shaded sketch contour. Just select it, drag it and drop it, and it will be added here. As we already have it here, I'm just going to move it out. So we just have a single copy now. Click OK to accept it and you'll have this shaded sketch contour tool. Now with this tool active, the close sketch will look kind of like this with a shaded region inside this. And if I deactivate it, well, we don't have any kind of shaded region. Now this may look like a cosmetic thing, but it's more than that. It has some real applications as well. So I'll just activate it now again. And here you can just select your sketch using this shaded contour. So just click inside the shaded area, and here as you can see, I'm now able to move my sketch. Not only that, if you want to select the sketches, then you just don't need to select it one by one. If it is a closed sketch, simply click inside the shaded area and all the selected sketches on the edges, well, they will be selected. Alright, so that's the shaded sketch feature. Now here, let's say we want to make a mirror copy of this sketch right about this mirroring line. For that, I'll go to mirror entities. And now instead of selecting all these lines one by one, I'll simply click inside this shaded region and all the boundary lines are now selected. Now I'll select mirror about, select this line, and we have the mirrored copy. So it's as easy as that. Also in this case, as you can see, we have some alternating regions. Now all of these regions are shaded with different shades here. So you can see this is lighter and this is darker and so is this. So it will kind of highlight all the internal areas separately like this. Now you can modify your drawing also using this. So if I click inside and move it, the drawing will also change, of course, but this may not be very helpful. Now, if you want to select any shaded region for adding a 3D feature, then you can do that very easily using the Alt key. So now if I press and hold my Alt key and then move my cursor right inside these areas, you'll notice that it will basically highlight the closed boundaries. Now you can select the boundary whichever you want. For example, in this case, I'll just select this boundary, and just remember that I have my Alt key pressed when selecting this region. So I'll click here, and now we can extrude this area. So the extruded boss base feature will show up. Just click, and here we are. It will just extrude this area. So once you have the shaded region, you can use this Alt shortcut to kind of extrude and just add 3D features to your sketches. We can again bring it back here. So I'll just go to edit sketch, and if you want to again make some changes, you can do it. So that's a shaded sketch feature which you can use to modify your sketches without selecting the sketch boundaries.